Abel Sànchez is a version of the biblical story of Cain and Abel. The Cain of the novel is called Joaquin. Although they are not brothers, they have grown together, competing as brothers would. Abel becomes a famous and renowned painter, while Joaquin becomes a well-known doctor. Joaquin's goal is to outdo Abel by making medical discoveries, thus competing with Abel's art by excelling in science, which is also an art. Joaquin has always been jealous of Abel and competitive with him, but what bothers him most is that Abel does not feel the same sense of rivalry. Abel marries Helena, Joaquin's cousin, whom Joaquin hoped to marry. To calm his envy and hatred, Joaquin marries Antonia, not out of love, but simply to maintain his competitive position with Abel. Abel and Helena have a son named Abel, and Joaquin and Antonia have a daughter named Joaquina. Joaquin lives his jealous ambitions through his daughter. As the story of Cain and Abel ends, so does this novel. Upon reaching the point of total hatred, Joaquin takes Abel's life. When Joaquin dies, he apologizes to his family. Realizing that his life was consumed by hatred and envy, he says that if he had only loved his wife, Antonia, she could have been his savior. Packed with biblical comparisons, this book shows what one's life becomes when one is consumed with envy or hatred. Joaquin had no life of his own. His existence was only as Abel's enemy. Although the protagonist is Joaquin, the book is titled Abel Sànchez because Joaquin's character is totally formed from his intense feelings towards Abel.